quality and safety are two essential attributes for companies in the food and beverage sector. SoftExpert Excellence Suite understands these requirements and improves the efficiency of food and beverage companies. The different solution components work together to improve food quality and speed up new product launch cycles, in addition to reducing risk and strengthening compliance with industry's demanding regulations. With SoftExpert PDM, companies can clearly define their products and manage the formulations and all ingredients involved, ensuring the integrity of the products. The characteristics of the product can be defined for subsequent control and monitoring. The tool allows you to control revisions of all information, maintaining the traceability of all product items throughout the process. SoftExpert Process is the ideal tool to help you define production processes and ensure the safety and efficiency of food. It allows you to model, approve, simulate, publish, and optimize processes in accordance with BPMN notation, simplifying the implementation of controls and the attainment of quality standards. The process model is simpler and intuitive. It allows you to standardize workflows via elements that can be easily understood by everyone involved in the process. Publish the processes and share them with all your stakeholders. View all process-related items such as inputs, outputs, indicators and risks, among others. SoftExpert Food Safety is the ideal tool to support your food and beverage companies in activities such as risk identification and assessments and implementation of controls. Complying with different regulatory requirements, the solution allows you to manage risks involved in ingredients, inputs and processes, as well as risks related to the handling, storage, and contamination of raw materials, among others. For significant risks, you can define controls and monitor their implementation, even when they involve different areas or suppliers. The tool facilitates the application of flexible decision trees in order to determine whether the evaluation step is a critical control point, CCP, or not. Visually identify the risks at each stage of the food production process. Monitor risks using the risk matrix or with the various charts and diagrams available in the system. With SoftExpert Problem, food and beverage companies can simplify and speed up the handling of nonconformities. Each type of occurrence is addressed with different electronic forms. It's possible to address a range of nonconformities related to raw materials, suppliers, facilities, and hygiene, along with product occurrences at the final consumer. To support the identification of root causes, the solution provides quality tools like Ishikawa and 5 Whys. To handle the occurrence, you can create a new action plan or link an existing action plan. The progress of the occurrence handling can be monitored visually through standard flows with SoftExpert Suite's Process Modeler. The tool includes a control panel that offers full visibility of the incident situation. This panel allows you to take actions such as redefining deadlines or substituting the resource responsible for the execution of the activity. SoftExpert Inspection qualifies and monitors suppliers' performance to guarantee the quality and safety of food products that go to the market. The solution centralizes the management of suppliers and their documentation, such as self-evaluation questionnaires and operating licenses or certifications, thus ensuring legal and regulatory compliance. You can define the incoming raw materials flow and monitor in real time indicators such as deadlines, quantities, and costs. The tool offers a number of quality indices, which can be configured according to the methods used by the organization. Inspection via checklists or by reading characteristics ensures the quality of raw materials and reduces defects in final products arising from the poor quality of suppliers. Finally, evaluation reports and supplier rankings allow you to monitor the performance of all companies that supply raw materials or that have some role in the food production process. SoftExpert Project improves project planning, approval, execution, and monitoring activities to improve effectiveness in innovation processes and new product development. Using a Gantt chart, the tool allows you to easily elaborate the project schedule, defining the activities, duration, sequence, relation of dependency, and responsibilities. Define different roadmaps for the approval of project planning. Monitor resources allocation and time tracking. Access and control financial results in real time. Monitor project indicators for costs and deadlines, among others. With SoftExpert Performance, organizations can monitor everything from a simple operational indicator to overall business performance. The scorecards can be structured according to the needs of the organization using elements such as forecasts, objectives, initiatives, indicators, and sub-indicators. The tool offers a wealth of detail for monitoring indicators. For each period, information such as targets, measurements, or percentages is presented. Other information can also be displayed by configuring the display profile. You can link comments or documents related to each period. In the case of failure to achieve the target, research events and action plans can be triggered. Targets and measurements can also be monitored via different graphic features. SoftExpert Audit provides all the necessary support to conduct audits of food safety requirements. With the tool, it's possible to describe the capabilities as well as the standards that each auditor is qualified to audit. During planning, you can report the details of the audit, such as schedule, scope, interviewed collaborators, audit team, and lead auditor, among others. Through the Task Manager, you can proceed with the execution of the audit. Each of the checklist items can be evaluated. Levels of compliance can be configured by the company. When a deviation is discovered, it can be registered or addressed using SoftExpert Incident or SoftExpert Problem. SoftExpert Document automates document management and ensures information security while meeting the regulatory requirements of regulatory enforcement agencies. Different categories can be created to manage work instructions, standard operating procedures, internal policies, product descriptions, and GMP HACCP records, and many others. Carry out queries in a simple manner and view the documents in the system. Manage different versions of a document, ensuring the updating and integrity of information. Revisions can be performed following the ISO 9000 process based on the stages of elaboration, consensus, approval and standardizations, or via customized flows. The tool provides a centralized task manager that controls deadlines and allows you to perform activities such as approving or electronically signing normative documents. All document-related events can be monitored through audit trails, ensuring traceability and compliance with regulatory requirements. SoftExpert Competence automates personnel qualification process to ensure food manufacturing in accordance with quality standards. The tool helps you define competency-based assessment plans for each role. The proficiency scale can be used to measure abilities and to demonstrate work competence. The professional profile description identifies the respective responsibilities, authorities, and skills required. Training can be planned and carried out with SoftExpert Training, aimed at reducing identified gaps in skills. Automating a food safety management system facilitates the execution of processes and procedures related to the safety and quality standards and regulations. As you saw in the video, SoftExpert Suite is the best option for companies in the food and beverage industry looking to raise productivity and become more competitive. In addition to the components presented, our solution also addresses other relevant aspects such as equipment maintenance, waste management, and statistical process control, among others. For more information, please visit our website at www.softexpert.com or email us at sales@softexpert.com